Now check this out. This device has 6 HDMI outputs. You can either combine these to create one massive screen or play 6 different videos on each output. Let's find out more. So this is a pretty impressive device. It's the Megatronix R58-HD, 6 HDMI outputs, and we're going to discuss operating system specifications, performance, and in what use cases this might be very useful for you or for your business. So let's start off with the specification. First up, the CPU. The R58-HD is powered by the Rockchip RK3588 chipset. This is a high-end chipset that came out in 2022. This octa-core CPU includes 4 Cortex A76 cores running at 2.4 GHz and 4 Cortex A55 cores running at 1.8 GHz, delivering a perfect balance between power and performance. For graphics, we have the Mali G610 GPU. This GPU handles 8K 10-bit decoding and encoding, making it perfect for high-resolution video playback and editing. So regarding the RAM, you have a few options you can go with. You can either choose the DDR4 4GB, 8GB or 16GB option. Same goes for the storage. You have the option to choose from 32, 64 or 128GB, giving you plenty of options to fit your needs. The model that I have is the 8GB DDR4 RAM with 64GB of internal storage. If we talk about software, even there you have some options. You can either choose from Android 11 or Linux. You have the option and the flexibility to change and switch between these platforms yourself after purchasing. You can upload firmwares easily on this device. Now let's talk about the most interesting part about this device. The R58-HD has 6 HDMI outputs and 1 HDMI input. You can use these outputs to either create one massive screen, for instance for gaming, or you can play 6 different videos on 6 different monitors. In this, it will be helpful for a business or a shop that you're running and you have 6 monitors next to each other. This would be a perfect solution to play 6 different videos or play the same video. It doesn't really matter. You have the flexibility to choose for yourself how you want to do it and where you want to do it. Let's talk a bit about connectivity. This device has 2 GB LAN ports. One of these supports power over internet. Going to the front panel, you'll instantly see 2 USB 3.0 ports and 2 USB 2.0 ports with a SIM slot, so you can even run wireless internet on this device. The front panel includes a mic and an audio jack. It also offers RS232, RS485, TTL and CAN ports. So if we're talking about connectivity, you have plenty of options to go with. So we have the R58-HD hooked up. Currently I have Linux installed. I previously had Android installed. Both operating systems work just fine. I have the connection to Wi-Fi 6 and the speeds are incredible. So if you're more familiar with Linux, I would go that route. Or if you're a more Android fan, go with that route. But it doesn't matter. Either way, you can easily switch between them. So the best use case for this device is if you have up to 6 monitors, either for your gaming setup or for your office or business. So in a bit, we're going to test on 3 monitors because that's what I have. And we're going to play 3 different video files on each monitor. So you'll see how that looks like. Unfortunately, I don't have 6 monitors yet, but it doesn't matter. You have the flexibility to choose how many monitors you want to hook this bad boy up. So we have 3 HDMI cables hooked up the R58-HD. Let's take a quick look at my monitor setup. Monitor 1 is playing a video file, monitor 2 is playing another video file, and monitor number 3 is playing another video file. That one is blurred out, by the way. Sorry for the background mess, I'm in a very tiny room, so it's very easy to set this up. You have 3 options. Set up a USB stick, create 6 folders within that USB stick. You can name them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You can put multiple MP4 files in each folder, it will play them automatically. So the 6 folders that are named 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 will be redirected to HDMI 6. That makes totally sense. Option number 2, you can manually drag windows to each monitor. Option number 1 with the USB stick is of course automated. And the last option, if you want to create one massive screen so everything aligns with each other, is of course the third option. That being said, this video has come to an end. I will leave the link in the description where you can purchase one for yourself if you're interested, but don't forget to leave me some feedback in the comments section. Thank you all for watching and have a great day. Goodbye.